Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of EasyPost Shipping Connector for Community Edition in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application integrates EasyPost multi-carrier shipping services directly into your Odoo system. It allows businesses to generate shipping label, get real-time rates, track shipment, and manage delivery from carriers like USPC, UPS, FedEx, and more, all within Odoo. This connector simplifies logistics, improve accuracy, and streamline your entire shipping workflow. So first of all, we will go into the sales module. Here, under configuration, we will find a menu for delivery methods. Open that and here you can see all the delivery methods. Here you can see the delivery method EasyPost. So for this you need to add the EasyPost configuration such as EasyPost test key and EasyPost production key, which I have already added. After configuring this, we are going to create a quotation. So we will go into the quotation and we are going to click on new. Here you need to add the customer. So I will be adding Azure as my customer. And for the product, I will be adding acoustic block, screen, and I will be adding chair floor protection. Here you can see your products. Now just save this quotation and here you will find a button for add shipping. Click on that and here you can see the shipping method is here. So you need to select EasyPost in that. After selecting that, you need to select a service. So I am going to select USPC, USPS Express. And here I am going to click on get rate. After clicking on this, you can see the cost field is updated according to the shipping cost. Now we are going to click on add and in the order lines you can see EasyPost is updated with its cost in here. Now we are going to confirm this quotation and you can see the sale order is created and also a delivery is created. So we will go into the delivery. Here you can see the delivery number and in the additional info you can see the carrier, which is EasyPost. Now after this we will go into the operations. Here we are going to add quantity 1 for acoustic block screen and we are going to validate this delivery. So click on validate and if you want your SMS you can confirm it, otherwise disable SMS. Now you can see it is validated and in the additional info tracking reference is updated. You can see the tracking reference. And also in the chatter you can see shipment sent to the courier EasyPost for shipping with tracking number this and cost this. Under that you can see the tracking number and also a PDF for your label. You can open the PDF and you can see the label for your shipping with all the information in it. And also you will find a button for tracking which is generated after validating the delivery. So you can just click on that and you can track your shipment easily. Here you can see the EasyPost. You can see it is in pre-transit state. And also you can see the estimated delivery and every detail regarding your shipping in here. Now after this you can see the shipments EasyPost. Here you can see EasyPost. Under that you will find the shipment. So you need to select the shipments in that. And here you can see the shipment which is created for your tracking. Now you can also filter the environment with the production or test in here. You can see all the shipment which we have created earlier. Now we are going into our Odoo interface and in the tracking reference you will find a button for cancel. So just click on cancel and here it will ask for your confirmation. So just click on OK for proceeding your cancellation. And here you can see the tracking reference field is blank. And here you can see the tracking button has also disappeared. And here you can see in the chatter that shipment this is cancelled. Now again we will create a new quotation. Click on new, add a customer. I will be adding Readymade as my customer and here make sure to select the country out of the US. So I have selected India in this. Now I'm going to add my product. We are going to click on add shipping. And here in the shipping method, we are going to select EasyPost. Now we are going to select the service. Here you can see the service is USPS, Priority Mail International, Express Mail International, First Class Packaging International Services. Every service is international here as the address is out of the US. So here you can see the cost field is updated according to the service, and we are going to click on add. Here, after entering the shipping method, we are going to confirm the sale order, and the flow is same as the earlier one. Now, we will hop onto the website, we will go into the shop, and we are going to add our product, customizable desk, into the cart. Here, click on proceed to checkout, and here you can see the product in the cart. Now, click on checkout. And here you can see in the delivery method, we can see a delivery method as EasyPost. And here you can see the pricing of that. After this, click on confirm. And you can see you need to do the payment. So click on pay now by selecting your payment provider. And here you can see your payment is being finalized. Now here you can see your thank you page for sale order number 42. Under that you can see all the information. Now we will go into the configuration, we will go into the payment transactions, and here you can see the payment transactions in here which we just created. You can see everything in here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.